I'm stuck on my house. I wish I could go to the beach. Wait, maybe this can help me. Okay. 1. Bingo, yes! Okay, want to learn how to fold these? Watch this video. What you're going to want to do is very neatly cut it into a square. So what you're going to want to do is cut a square right here. Cut a square. Super bad. No. As long as it's a square, it's fine. Okay. First, what you're going to want to do is fold it in half this way. Do the same thing except turn it around. But just turn it. So much math in my head right now. Okay. Then you're gonna just do like a paper airplane. Hold it like 2, like that. Airplane. Then it's gonna make a diamond. Then what you're going to want to do is flip it over. Make sure all the things. All the triangles are down for good. So like what I mean by that, so like don't like go like that. Okay, let's do the same thing. Just gotta really align it like that. Four. Then what you're going to want to do is fold it in half, doesn't matter what. Then you're going to want to use 4 flaps that you made. Fold it this way. Then you're going to like push this and grab onto this handle part, and that's your first side of the whatever you call the thingamajig what I'm making. Then do that same thing. Do that same thing with it, and then you have your whatever you made. Your fortune teller, that's what it's called. This way. There. Okay, I finally got it. Hey guys, I just finished coloring it and doing all the words and numbers and yes, no's. So I wanted to show you guys, and I'm going to work my way through of doing this to show you. So why these are the colors, the reason is red has 3 letters, blue has 4 letters, green has 5 letters, yellow has 6 letters. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, second, the numbers. How you're going to want to do this is 2. If this one is yes, you want to skip 1, put the 2 right there, and make it no. Same thing. 4, if the 4 is yes, you skip 1, and then put no. Same thing with 3 and 1. Next is yes, no's. So if there's no, no on this side, then there's a yes, yes. And then if there's yes, no, then there's no, yes. So I just wanted to ask this one more thing. Okay. So let me get this on. Will you guys subscribe? Red. R-E-D. 2. 1, 2. 4. Yes! Thanks for subscribing. Don't forget to like my video and comment on what you want me to do next.